I remember meeting an American by accident on a long distance bus. He never stopped talking all the way, which annoyed me a lot. Americans in 9 cases out of 10 are talkative people, and it's easy to make friends with them. They feel most comfortable in putting their thoughts into spoken words. They feel most comfortable in putting their thoughts into spoken words. Little is left to the imagination of the listener. An American much prefers to say exactly what he had in mind. And talking with an American for the first time, you may notice that the conversation makes quick progress. It is common for travelers who have sat down beside each other to have almost finished exchanging their life stories by the time they get to their destination. Those who have sat beside each other to have almost finished exchanging their life stories by the time they get to their destination. If you should meet such a talkative American, you would not be so nervous. You need not think you have to answer all the questions you are asked. Just turn the conversation back to him by asking questions of your own. He will be content to talk about himself. Be content to talk about himself. 食物保存法なんです。For a long time, people have looked for ways to preserve food so that it could be used later. We have no idea how or when people discovered methods of food preservation. The chances are that hungry hunters ate dried berries or grapes. They took to the taste of them and took some home. Take to 気に入る take to the works. And took some home. Later people learned how to dry berries and grapes by exposing them to the sun. Later people learned how to dry berries and grapes by exposing them to the sun. By chance, people People may have left some food in the snow by chance. The chances are that he will not come. たまたま偶然 He also drew this down by chance. By chance, people may have left some food in snow. They saw that these cold or frozen foods lasted longer than fresh foods. They found out that salt prevented food from spoiling. They also spoil the circle. They also came to know that cooking kept the food from going bad. Later, people learned how to tame animals and to grow crops. Tame kindness and to grow crops. They gave up wandering and made homes. They learned how to make cheese and butter from the milk of some animals and to make wine from the grapes they grew. They found that when wine soured, it became vinegar and could be used to preserve foods. Vinegar could be used to foods. Wine soured. It became vinegar and could be used to preserve food. New ways of preserving food were added to their knowledge. Attention とは何か